round 2 of the Vieux Carre. So the first Vieux Carre we made was with Drambuie. It was great, delicious. Second one is gonna be with an Amaro. Use whatever Amaro you want. All the other ingredients are exactly the same. We're using 3/4 ounce whiskey, 3/4 ounce cognac, 3/4 ounce sweet vermouth, about 1/3 of an ounce of the Amaro, whatever one you want, 2 dashes of Peychaud bitters, 1 dash of Angostura bitters. Let's get this party started. It's open. Oh wow. I don't know which one I like better. Oh, they're so good. This is the Drambuie. This is the Amaro. The Amaro's gonna change the flavor a lot, but wow, damn, this is good. Ooh, you guys should definitely try this. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. See you next time. And remember, a la carte is where you come for your cocktails.